The Tescoma Nero frying pans combine modern aesthetics with high-performance durability. Featuring a premium non-stick coating, they ensure effortless food release and easy cleaning. The pans are built with an induction-compatible base, offering rapid, even heat distribution. Their ergonomic, heat-resistant handles provide a comfortable grip for everyday culinary tasks. The Eng Dao Bia vacuum sealer is a versatile kitchen essential designed to extend food freshness by up to 8 times compared to traditional storage. This powerful device features 80 kPa suction and a multi-mode interface, including dry, moist, and manual pulse settings to handle everything from delicate pastries to juicy steaks without crushing or leaking. Its sleek, compact design fits easily into any drawer, while the built-in cutter and bag storage compartment streamline the sealing process. By removing air and creating an airtight seal, it prevents freezer burn and optimizes pantry space. Durable and user-friendly, it's an ideal companion for sous vide enthusiasts and meal preppers alike.
Meet Green Pan Frost, the easiest way to make all your frozen favorites at home. The secret is the advanced built-in chiller that lets you go from fresh to frozen in as little as 30 minutes. You're just one touch away from your favorite frozen treats. It's only 3 easy steps. Add, select, and enjoy. The all-in-one design lets you create silky ice cream, fresh and bright slushies, thick and creamy milkshakes, fruity sorbet and sherbet, healthy protein-packed smoothies, refreshing summer frosé, or the perfect frozen cocktails anytime. With 7 texture settings, you're guaranteed perfect results. Plus, Frost lets you make it healthier. It's easy to swap processed sugars for healthier ingredients. Add extra protein to a sweet treat. Your options are endless. In addition to being easy to use, Frost is incredibly quiet, so you can enjoy the party. Plus, it has a double insulated bowl and built-in chiller to keep your treats cool. Enjoy frozen treats anytime, no freezer necessary. Make Frost part of the fun. Your favorite frozen treats made easy with Green Pan.
The Dash Deluxe Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker is a movie lover's dream, combining high-capacity snacking with a clever, space-saving design. Its motorized stirring bar ensures even heating and a nearly 100% pop rate, preventing the dreaded burnt kernels. This model can produce up to 24 cups of fresh popcorn per batch, making it perfect for family nights. The clear dome doubles as a serving bowl, while the Smart Store feature allows the base to nest inside the lid for a compact footprint. It's functional, fun, and incredibly easy to clean.
The one-make electric salt and pepper grinder brings effortless precision to your kitchen with its sleek, one-handed operation. Designed for modern convenience, this gravity-sensing mill activates automatically when tilted, eliminating the need for manual twisting or button pushing. It features a high-quality ceramic core that provides superior durability and prevents rust, ensuring a consistent grind every time. Users can easily customize their seasoning using the adjustable coarseness knob, ranging from fine powder to chunky grains. With a transparent acrylic chamber for easy refills and a built-in LED light to guide your seasoning, it combines style with practical utility.
The Juicy Portable Blender is a high-performance lifestyle companion designed for those who refuse to let a busy schedule compromise their nutrition. Engineered to fuel your hustle, this compact powerhouse features a robust motor and 6 stainless steel blades that effortlessly pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens into silky smoothies in under 30 seconds. Its sleek, ergonomic design fits perfectly in car cup holders or gym bags, while the leak-proof lid ensures mess-free transport from the office to the trails. Powered by a USB rechargeable battery, the Juicy offers the freedom to blend up to 15 drinks on a single charge, eliminating the need for bulky cords or nearby outlets. Safety is prioritized with an intelligent magnetic induction system that prevents the blades from spinning unless the jar is securely fastened. Whether you're whipping up a post-workout protein shake or a fresh morning juice, Its one-touch operation and self-cleaning mode make healthy living remarkably seamless. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's an essential asset for the modern go-getter.
The Helen Lee Oven Grill Steamer is a game-changing 3-in-1 appliance designed to replace bulky kitchen gear. This Kickstarter innovation combines high-speed steaming, precision grilling, and convection baking into one compact unit. It's perfect for health-conscious cooks seeking versatile, space-saving technology that delivers professional results with minimal effort and cleanup.
Get easy, homemade, plant-based milk in minutes with the Green Pan Better Blend soy, nut, and oat milk maker. Just add your favorite ingredients, choose your setting, and watch your healthy creations come to life. You'll get delicious plant-based milk at the touch of a button. Plus, you can make tasty smoothies, flavorful hot soups, boil water for tea, create creamy hummus, blend delicious sauces and dips, and even make your own healthy baby food. The super-powered motor gives you homemade options in an instant. A versatile combo of heat and power make it simple to find your perfect blend. When you're done, the self-clean mode makes cleanup easy. And it's BPA-free for worry-free blending. Make it healthy at home with the Green Pan Better Blend.
The coffee spoon with clip Grand Chef is a clever 2-in-1 essential for any coffee lover. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it features a long-reach scoop for precise measuring and a built-in handle clip that securely seals your coffee bag, keeping grounds fresh and aromatic while ensuring your spoon is always handy.